to figure out what day today is? Because here is our calendar. Let's start out by singing the months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Very good. This month is September. We're almost to the end of it. Let's see what day of the week it is. It is the green day today. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. There we go. Now we gotta find out what number day it is. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Today is the 29th. We're almost done with September. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. I was just thinking about my birds. No, they're not pets, but I consider the birds that come and eat from our bird seed outside to be my birds. We have blue jays and cardinals and chickadees and sparrows and woodpeckers that come through. They're really pretty too. And I love watching them outside my window. Would you like to watch the birds with me? Great! Oh, wait. My bird feeders are empty. There won't be any birds out there if I don't get out there and fill up my bird feeders. I better get those feeders filled. You want to come with me? Great, we'll do it together. Got our bird seed feeder here. We'll take the cover off. This is where I keep my bird seed. Keep it in here so that the chipmunks won't eat it when I'm not looking. But I'll leave them some. I like our chipmunks. There. Now we have some bird seed in there. There we go. Now the birds will be really happy. I think I'm going to put some on our other bird feeder too. The blue jays like this one best. And this is a special bird feeder. Our woodpeckers like to eat this. It's called a suet. It comes in little cakes like this. And our woodpeckers really love this. Open it up. There. And that will make our woodpeckers very happy. Now we always pick up after ourselves. We don't want to leave stuff out. Woo! It was windy out there, wasn't it? But now, all we have to do is wait for the birds to come. Well, it's about time to go. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!